In today's video tutorial, I'm going to walk you through how to make a Gamepass on Roblox. To begin, access the Create section, ensuring that you already have the necessary experience. Next, click on the three dots icon and choose the option to create a badge. Once you're in the badge creation interface, tap on the associated items. In the case of passes, if you don't have one, I will guide you through the process of creating it. Tap on Create a Pass and then select an image from your files. Additionally, you can rename your Game Pass at a stage. The description field is optional, so you can leave it as it is. Once you are satisfied, click on Create Pass. Please note that the verification process may take some time, as indicated by the loading screen. While waiting, you can click on another option, specifically Sales, located in the left corner. From there, toggle the switch and set your preferred price. The calculation will be displayed accordingly. Once you have completed the necessary changes, click on Save Changes. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.